Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new recipe. This time I'm showing you how I prepare this double beans and mutton pulao. This is a seasonal recipe. Only during winter season we can get this double beans, that two fresh ones. And the flavor and taste of double beans is excellent. I'm going to start first preparing the meat. Here I've washed and reserved meat, and we'll add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt and chilies to the meat and pressure cook the meat first. So all the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with a detailed blog post, will be listed in the description box below this video. You can also click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. If I've missed out mentioning anything here in the video, it will definitely be written on the blog. So definitely visit the blog and also check the description box below this video for all the ingredients used in this recipe. So many times many people ask me, where are all the ingredients? You have not mentioned many things. So it's all in the description box below this video. It's unnecessary to mention it on the video. So you can visit the description box below this video. That is very convenient for everyone to watch and to see, prepare everything from scratch. Once I've added ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chilies and water, I'll cover the pressure cooker, place the whistle and cook the mutton for 5 to 6 whistles. In my house, it takes 5 to 6 whistles to cook the mutton till it's tender. From house to house, the stove changes, pressure cooker changes. So just make sure the meat is cooked till it's tender and reserve it. Here I have cooked the meat till it's tender and reserved. We need the double beans that I have shelled already, washed and reserved, peeled and sliced onion, chopped chilies, chopped mint, coriander, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, bay leaf, shahi jeera, whole spices, basmati rice. All the ingredients used here will be listed in the description box below this video, friends. Now here you can see I washed the double beans, added it to a pot of water with half a cup of water and quarter teaspoon of salt. I'll boil it till it's tender. Once my double beans has cooked, I've heated a handi, and to the handi I've added oil and ghee. Let the oil and ghee reach temperature. Once the ghee and oil has reached temperature, I'll start adding the sliced onion. We'll add the whole spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, shahi jeera, Javitri, Marathi Moggu. All the whole spices we'll add. All the spices will be listed in the description box below this video, friends. You need not worry. So just fry all the ingredients till the onion turns golden. You can see my double beans has already cooked. So if you're preparing this at home, just follow the steps and prepare. It's very simple. As I'm preparing, I'm just shooting everything and I'm posting it for you. Now you can see the double beans has cooked. I switched off the flame and I've reserved it. Here the onion has to turn light golden in color. Fry it. Once the onion has fried, we'll add ginger and garlic paste. My mother's ginger and garlic paste already contains little bit of fennel seeds and peppercorns in it. So I posted a detailed basics of Indian cooking recipe. In that recipes you can see the ginger garlic paste, how we prepare at home. So I list that also in the description box below this video. Now you can see I've added finely chopped chilies, mint and coriander. We'll fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor from ginger and garlic paste has reduced. Next we'll add the cooked meat and we'll stir all the ingredients. Add the double beans. We will also add salt and stir all the ingredients. At this point you can add water and boil and cook the meat along with the water, or you can add the water once you have added the rice. So it's up to you. Now here, once I've added the salt, I'll just stir all the ingredients. Cover and cook the meat for 10 minutes. While the meat is cooking, wash your basmati rice and soak it for 10 minutes while the meat is cooking in this masala. So now you can see the meat has cooked with the masala. At this point, I'll drain that basmati rice that I soaked 10 minutes earlier. I will add the basmati rice, and at this point you need to use only warm water. Don't use cold water. You will start the cooking process from the beginning. So add warm water, measure and add warm water. So for every 1 glass of rice that I've used, I've added 1.5 cups of warm water. I will stir all the ingredients, cover, place a heavy weight on top and cook the meat along with the rice for 15 minutes on low flame. So once everything has cooked, you can see my pulao is ready. I will just gently stir this. I've added lime juice and some ghee on top. We'll just give this a good stir and serve it as hot as possible. I hope everybody enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends. All the links to my blog and social media, all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Do give this recipe a try. If you find double beans, definitely give this a try, especially for winter season. It is very nice and tasty. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.